So friend, this is my Nettech Blue Sky channel here, and today I am continue this my network series. And today my topic topology, bus topology. So watch my previous video. What is a network? Why I created a network and what is a network history? I'm already created this video. Watch my previous video. And why using non connection different type of network diagram. This is my all video part wise, and without part wise you cannot understand this my video. And what is a topology? I'm already show you point to point topology already, point to multi-point. Third is start bus topology technology. Okay, so I'm already created point to point topology and ring mesh star hybrid. Point to point topology. What is a point to point topology? Our computer network engineer start first network technology. So first of create a network of computer PC1 PC2 in first start of communication in computer network systems area, point to point topology. And after created different devices, and I'm already created the advantage disadvantage. And last my previous video, point to multi-point topology. Okay, what is a point to multi-point topology? Okay, and wireless system is a point to multi-point topology system. Okay, so it is a one type of point to multi-point topology. Third is topology start bus topology. What is a bus topology? Why using bus topology? And this generation time using this bus topology? Yes or no? Comment me. Okay. So I'm continue this. Let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest this channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on here and you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related computer related advanced computer hardware network software everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see if you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see just a bus topology. Why call this topology bus? First understand, a bus topology consists a main run of cable with a terminator at each end. Why? First understand, why terminator at each end? Why terminate cable. And why using these systems by computer? All nodes like workstation, printers, laptop, servers, etc. connected to the linear cable. First main of cable. Only one cable, main cable. So just you can see just in this picture, that is a bus topology technology. You can see just here, this is a main cable. This is main cable, and all cable connect on only this main cable. This cable connect here first PC, second PC connect this cable through third, okay, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and terminate left and right. All nodes like vertation. Okay, it is a bus topology technology. Okay. Third is the terminator is used to absorb the signal when the signal reach the end. The terminator using absorb the signal. The signal reach the end, preventing signal bounce when using bus topology. So terminator use only absorb signal when signal reach the end. So why using a terminate? Why cut and terminate joint here? It is a terminate. So this first main cable connect, okay, first main cable here and first PC here. So how this connect? Because this communication connect by this cable here. So terminate here, and this is completely same second PC, same third, fourth, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 computer connect here. That is a bus topology technology. Okay, the terminator is absorb the signal when signal reach the end. Okay, so terminate this signal to end means this communication, this computer, any direction, any side you file send means this computer send this file on this PC. So this computer send and going data through here, main cable signal going to this computer, but actually this one signal going here and second here, third here. So every computer signal automatically going, that is a main problem, signal bounce when using bus topology. Okay, so every computer uh, uh, these depend on main cable. When computer send out signal, the signal travels the cable length in both directions from the sending computer. That means this computer connect this cable and other computer connect this main cable. So when these computers send any data, any file, any signal, so first go signal here and starting this side and this side, okay, two area side. So sending this signal here and going these first meet this signal, second this meet signal, third, fourth, 5. This computer connect every computer signal, and this signal depend on only main cable. Left side terminate here and right side terminate here. You can more connect means so you can terminate these terminator simulation, these terminate open and cut cable, and after connector using and more increase your connection. So my means is this communication, this computer send this and this receive computer, okay, this computer sender and this computer user receiver. So this computer file sending here, so first going here, second computer receive, third computer, fourth computer, file computer and sixth this, but actually this computer only send this here, but unfortunately bus topology, why four type these computer made this signal, because all of data same on this is main cable, depend on bandwidth means depend on your signal length means cable length. So direction, every side signal flow, every signal side send, because all of directly connected on this main cable. When the signal reach the end of cable length, it bounce back on the return in the direction it came from. This known as signal bounce. So what is the main of system? Signal reach, okay, this computer communication, this computer send file, this computer, okay, so this computer signal going here, meet here, meet here, and this is a computer receive here, okay. But what is this area side? This area side going signal, and that means signal bounce, not going, okay, not forwarding and not going. So it is a one type of this known as a signal bounce, okay. Signal bounce will create problem in the network, because if another signal sent on the cable length at the same time, the two signal will be collide. This is a complicated system of bus topology. One computer send signal, one computer file send here, and second as time, as 1 second time, same time send this second PC. So signal this come here and this the computer signal here, and that is a collide here. Signal not completely going, because two computers same time sending signals, sending files, anything. So there is a main problem of how connect this bus topology system, bus topology technology. So first T connector break system, and this type of cable, okay, you can see just in my picture. So this bus topology and T connector type break of systems, and T connector type of a card in your computer. Engineer this type of signals and system, okay. So this is a 5 of call and understand. You can see just here bus topology. Bus topology have this is a main cable of your PC and connected by T connector, okay. T connector set up here this side, okay, and this is a main of your computer systems, computer your data sent by this main cable. And the second you can see just here, this is data every single multiple and multiple same time computer, this computer send and same time this computer send data, so must will be collide, because this is same in one of the direction of data traveling this main cable, okay. So lot of computer, this is you can see just here 6 computer depend only one main cable. First number one computer send file to this computer, okay. So first understand this computer data going and the two side signal and second side signal, so not directly going here, first going here, second here, and third meet here, fourth and five. Okay, first this system, second means first computer send and same time this computer send file any signal, so first going here and second computer sending this first meet here, and between these area side collide signal. So this is the main problem of bus topology. Bus topology, this type cable, and this is a very old generation type using this technology, bus topology, and this type idea connected by this computer engineer bus topology technology. Okay, so this is a main cable of data signal traveling and sending in receiving systems. There are two signals, sender and receiver, but two signal one same time sending, that means collide. Collide means not meet signal. This is the main problem of systems. Okay, so this is a main cable. Okay, you understand, main cable data this type connect, and this is a one T connector using here. Okay, cut out and using T connector, one by one connecting this bus topology. So what is a bus topology advantage and disadvantage? I will discuss in next time video because this video very long. So next time I'll continue bus topology advantage and disadvantage. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue what is the advantage of computer of bus topology technology and ideas is systems here, and continue this time next my bus topology part 2 because this video very long. So thanks for watching my video. Next time I will continue advantage and disadvantage of bus topology. So click on subscribe, click on like button, click on bell icon because you want to need more knowledge. So click on bell icon, any notification for new video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.